Subscribe to Boostup Station if you haven't. And today we are going to free up space in C drive. Okay. Now here you can see that I'm just having 32 gigabytes of free space and I want more free space. Okay. So what I'll be doing is, first of all, need to check whether recycle bin is empty. If it's not, you just have to empty it. Okay. Then we are going to delete the temporary files using disk cleanup. For that, right click on the C drive, go to the properties, and here you can see the option disk cleanup. Just click on it. Now here I want to delete all these files, so just tick whichever you want, alright, to be deleted, and just click on OK. Now it will be deleting the files permanently, so click on delete files. It's cleaning up and it has successfully deleted all of them. You can see the space increased from 32.1 to 32.3. okay. Now just click on disk cleanup again. You can see 00, but if you click on this cleanup system files, just wait for it to calculate. Now here you can see the Windows update. It's 4.2 gigabytes and we want to delete it. So just tick mark it. And we also have other files. You can delete them also, like Microsoft Defender. Okay. These two are just different from the other files we just deleted before. So just click on OK and click on delete files. Now you will be having more free space. Now here you can see that we have 36.9 gigabytes of free space, right? Now click on disk cleanup again and just click on cleanup system files. It's scanning it again. Now you have to go to the more options here and you have to just click on these cleanup here, okay, and click on delete. Click on OK. Click on delete files and that's it. Click on OK from here. Now if you don't want hibernation on Windows 10, you can just disable it using this command. Just copy this command from here. In the start, type cmd, right click on it and click on run as administrator. Click on yes in the pop-up menu. You can just enter this command here, power cfg space / hibernate space off, and press enter. Okay, now the hibernation has been turned off. Now after turning the hibernation off, you just have to compress the installation footprints of Windows 10 if you want. Okay, it will also decrease the acquired space. So just type this command right here in the cmd, okay, compact.exe space / compact os, and always you need to make sure that the OS is in capital letters. Press enter. Now it will take some time to compress the OS binaries, so wait for it. So now here you can see that the files have been successfully compressed and the compression ratio is 1.8 from 1. And let's see the size of the C drive. If you refresh, you can see. So let's uninstall the non-essential apps and games. Go to the start and click on these settings. Click on apps. And here you just have to delete the non-usable apps which you don't use. Okay. Let's sort them by size so that we can know which has the greater size. So I don't want this OneDrive, so I'll be just uninstalling it. Uninstall. Click on yes in the pop-up menu and it's gone. Okay. So now I want to uninstall this Skype also. I don't need it. Uninstall. Same you have to do for all the apps which you don't want. Okay. And that's it. These are the apps which I wanted to uninstall. Now you can go for the offline maps here if you want to uninstall any offline maps. So you can see that I have downloaded this map. I don't want this. So either you can just click on this and delete, or if you want multiple maps to be deleted, just click on delete all maps and click on delete all. And all maps have been deleted. Now let's go to the language. If you want, you can see, go to the home and click on time and language. Now click on language here and you can see that I have downloaded Japanese, but I don't want it now. So I can just remove it. Okay. You can also remove any extra languages which you don't want. Now let's uninstall any optional features. Let's go to the home again. Go to the apps. And here you can see this option, optional features. Just click on it. Here you have to just click on sort by install size. Okay. And I don't want these 3 to 4 apps here. I will be just uninstalling them. Okay. Just click on all. They will be uninstalling one by one. Okay. So we have uninstalled the apps which we don't wanted. Okay. They require a reboot. So we will reboot after doing these steps. Okay. So first of all, we need to check if we have any more users in the operating system. Close it. Go to the start and type users. Click on other users. And you can see that we don't have any users here. If you have and you don't want that user, you can just remove it. Alright. Now let's go to this folder and delete all files. So just type Windows key plus R in the keyboard. It will bring you to this run prompt and you have to type %temp% and click on OK. Now select all files, Ctrl A and press Shift plus delete in the keyboard and click on yes. It will delete all these temporary files permanently. Click on this, do this for all current items and click on continue. Now just click on this again and click on skip because these files will not be deleted. Okay. So we have just freed up this space also. Now let's refresh here and you can see that we have 40 gigabytes of free space. So we have increased around 10 GB of free space in C drive. If still you want to extend or get more space into the C drive, then you have to just watch the video in the description, which will allow you to get the space from other drives, okay, or the unallocated space. So now just click on start, click on this and click on restart. Okay. So please subscribe to Bootstrap Station and that's it for now.
Thank you for watching. Now it's time to discover more. Simply click on the screen to subscribe to our channel and watch another video to discover more.